Hey, check this out. I'm back at it. Back to 100%. Look at this.
Are those pretzels?
Can I have one, brother?
Pretzels are the best snack because they don't get your hands dirty.
We're driving to the Oakland Hills right now because Fetty, Nigel, who doesn't have brakes by the way, and Uzi, who has a broken neck, decided it would be a good idea to go ride their trikes down the hills.
Nah, I know what I'm doing with stuff like this. I won't die.
How are you planning on stuff?
I don't know.
Wait, how are you planning?
Very sketchy without brakes. Oh yeah, I don't trust him with anything. Why did you bring him?
We're here today for potentially the scariest, most death-defying video we've ever done in the hills of Castro Valley, California with Fetty, Nigel, and Broken Neck Uzi.
I'm back at it again.
We have the drift trikes today.
Oh.
And they're gonna take the drift trikes down hills for the first ever
Brace
downhill
yourself.
outside of the Braille house drift trike experience. Nigel, are you ready?
Oh yeah.
Nigel doesn't have brakes, by the way.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I kind of want my phone actually.
Nigel, you don't have any brakes, so you're gonna go brakeless. You're okay with that?
Yeah, I ain't no weenie.
Okay. Uzi,
Yes.
you have a broken neck.
You're going necklace.
I do.
I would just like everyone to know here, I have expressed my concern to Uzi. Our boss has expressed concern to Uzi. Everyone has told him that he should not do this.
When I'm skating, when I fall on something,
I
I
said-
just get back and do it again.
I said make yourself happy.
Stop me.
Okay.
That's what I'm gonna do.
So with that being said, I take no responsibility for what Uzi is deciding to do. He's a good man. This is his decision.
We need somebody to watch for cars. What is that, Chris Angel? Are you ready? So who's gonna go to the bottom of the hill and watch for cars?
Hey, check this out. Check this out. Hey, Dan, check this out.
No, you did it wrong. I can say.
I'm waiting until I know there's no cars. Fakey.
Oh! Alright, cool.
Let's get it.
Let's get it, I guess. Oh, hold on. That was sick! Dope is 360 just now, did you see that? Oh, it's so much harder on mine! There's no way. I'm just gonna go.
That's amazing.
What was that?
That is amazing. The worst part is going up. But coming down.
Tell me everything.
Coming down is great. That's the most fun I've ever had.
Nigel.
What?
Nigel, how was that, dude?
I didn't even slide. I just went as fast as I could go.
Yo,
Uzi, how was that, dude?
I drifted the whole intersection.
Did you?
Yeah.
I didn't even drift.
I go faster. I didn't go that fast that time
I
because
just
I was worried.
went. I didn't drift. I just sent it.
You just sent it?
Yeah, there's no brakes, so it's like you kind of just have to go. You see how fast I went? Oh my god. Dude, it was so fun. This is the worst part, is going up, but I like going fast, so just the sheer intensity of just going fast, knowing I don't have brakes, is awesome. Fetty, I tried to do a 360 like Fetty did because he made it look so good. It's impossible on this thing.
Did you see Uzi just slide down for like 50 feet?
No.
Dude, did you see that?
Fetty bombed it straight up, and Nigel did too. They were going so unbelievably
Gabe,
fast.
film one at a time, and we'll just go one at a time.
No, I know. I'm just going up there to get a thumbnail of you
Oh,
guys.
okay.
You gotta hike a freaking mountain to get a thumbnail for this damn video. I need cardio.
Good,
This is amazing.
good.
When you tried a
I don't- I
360, I,
haven't,
got stuck backwards a couple of times, but
There's one problem though. I have not tried just 100% sending it straight from here.
Oh,
That's
that's
where I bombed from. So bombing from straight here all the way down. See how it goes. What? What? What?
I almost died.
He could not turn it back around.
I tried to do a
See him almost
super.
go backwards into the driveway, dude.
I tried to do a super long drift.
Wow. Dude, Uzi's doing it like a champ.
Hey! Oh. Gave the guy with no brakes the camera.
I almost
And
died.
I'm gonna bomb the hill. I saw you almost died. And I have to do this one hand, no brakes.
You got it.
Good!
I say we should go somewhere that has curves.
Alright, well, hopefully I don't drop it.
Good
See
luck.
you later. Oh my God! Yo! One hand with the camera, sketchy.
Bro, you just went like 40 miles an hour. Are you okay?
Yeah, I would rather do that with no camera so I can go faster. I was being cautious. Yeah, I was being super cautious.
Well, we got the angle we needed. Thank you for being brave on that one.
One-handed, bro. Look at this.
Dude.
I was so scared to drop the camera. That was my main thing. All right, now we're gonna go. We're gonna go way faster.
You think?
That was amazing, but I want to go twice as fast. I'm gonna try and drift it from like this corner all the way to there, and then I'm just gonna bomb it down that hill.
You go so fast.
Dude, it's like you guys have the bike for drifting, and Nigel's is just the freaking speed bomber, dude.
For real.
What?
If he like tips,
I give it to I give Nigel my speedometer, and he says, "Okay, I got to go way higher then." There has to be a terminal velocity for bikes going down hills. I don't know what it is, but I'm afraid to find out.
those bearings in that are plastic.
What if they explode?
They might. The friction.
Was I the only one that smelled burning rubber when they were going down?
I can't smell anything.
We got Aussie, Fetty, and Uzi on car safety, and Nigel's up there. I'm watching this road. We're trying to do this as safe as we possibly can, just so no one gets hurt. Oh my god! Can you imagine living in that house and just hearing that coming towards your windows?
I'm upset.
What?
I peaked at 27.
27?
I was hoping to hit 30, 27 miles an hour. That one on that side, I'll probably hit 30, 32. Yeah.
27, dude. That's insane.
On a trike.
That's way faster than the longboard.
You want more of a drifter hill?
Yeah.
We should go to Twin
We
Peaks.
can go to 2.
Take them to Twin Peaks one day. Drift bikes on Twin Peaks. Was it intense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Insane.
You have to say it. What are you doing?
You guys just smash it down the hill?
Yeah, pretty
We're
much.
filming a video for our YouTube channel.
Where you guys from?
From around
Higher.
here.
Well, you guys are done. Hopefully I get no more calls for you guys.
Yeah, we're good.
You guys taking it somewhere else?
Yeah.
Is it? Yeah, we're trying to find somewhere else. Please.
Okay, gotcha.
Towing bicycles.
Yeah.
That looks hella fun, by the way.
It's super
It's really
fun.
fun.
It's super fun.
15 videos. But, all right, guys, be safe and make sure I get no more calls, please.
All right, thank you. The place they least expect us.
Did I not tell you?
Hey,
Did I not
please
tell
me
you?
film that. You
Yeah.
filmed that,
Did I
right?
tell you? I don't know how well I filmed it because
Striking down the hill. Cops called.
he was looking at the camera, but you know what I mean. I didn't want to be too obvious. Gabe, these cameras are very hard to be inconspicuous with.
I know.
I told you. Did I not tell you that lady?
You did tell me. Is there anywhere near here that's cool, or should we go somewhere farther away? So we're now in Oakland, I think. I don't know why we're going there. It looks like there's some really good hills around here, so maybe there's some potential. We'll see. But Uzi wants to go to a nice, like, curvy one to get some cool drifts. Nigel wants to go to like a straight shot 45-mile-per-hour death hill. So we'll see where we end up going. But if there were hills anywhere, it looks like this is the place. I said, Fetty, if you don't want to do it, you don't have to do it. And he said, if my brother's doing it, I'm doing it.
I don't think I've ever been this scared on a trike. We're in front of Kevin Durant's house.
There's Kevin Durant. He used to go into that building over there.
Yep. And you've never been more scared.
No, I have to pee.
And there's traffic.
And there's traffic.
A wise man once said YOLO. And that man was
Trike.
Abraham Lincoln. Born.
Following behind you with hazards on, so no one will be able to pass you up.
Okay.
If you could keep up.
I gotta pee. I have to pee and it makes it twice as scary.
I'm hungry. Oh yeah, that's true. I feel like it does. It makes you anxious or something. All right, let's go, brother. Hello. Hi.
How was that?
That was fun.
That was amazing.
Yeah, that was like,
I've never felt that way in my whole entire career life.
I feel like
See, I'm glad you did it.
I feel like you guys literally just had the time of your life.
We had to wave at the ladies so they wouldn't call the cops.
Exactly, exactly.
we didn't wave at him, but he seems.
I waved at him.
You guys absolutely killed it. Good job, Fetty.
Thank you.
Dude, that was fun to watch.
I was kind of nervous drifting near like where there's potholes. I was like, okay, I should drift right next to it, but then I was like, nah, I like messed up.
Wow.
And I saw glass. I was like, oh dear.
I don't want to suggest anything for this video. I want it to be fully...
I don't think you should speed run this one.
Why?
Because you go really fast.
I know.
But you have to turn. On the last one, you just went straight.
I can turn.
You think, but you don't have brakes. You should. Use
I
one
don't
of these
need
if
brakes. I'll use yours. How
you
about
go
that?
fast.
Let's do it.
I'm not saying anything.
Let's do it. I'm gonna let him know when we drive up there that we're doing one more.
So Nigel is going to speed bomb the hill that Fetty and Uzi just went down. The speedometer's ready. He's gonna try to break his record. So what he's doing is he's taking Uzi's bike that has the disc brakes just in case it gets a little too fast. He doesn't want to. He wants to take his own, but I have convinced him to take the one with brakes on it just in case.
Let's do it.
Okay. Dude, how fast did you go?
39.
39! Yes! Oh my god! That was the greatest! That's the coolest security guard. He was like, I hope you got all that. Y'all crazy.
That was the scariest thing I've ever seen, dude.
I
Your
think I
eyes
can
are
go-
watering.
Yeah, I think I can go faster.
You have tears going all the way down your face.
I think I can go faster.
I
I really do.
How-
39!
39.
This is the final ride.
The final.
Nigel, how do you feel, man?
I really want to go faster. You have no idea. Now I'm gonna research like the world record, like fastest on a trike.
I don't think you can go faster than 60 miles per hour on any like bike thing.
What do you mean you can't go more than 60 miles an hour?
It's like the terminal velocity.
Come on,
Yeah.
brother, let's ride.
Well, let us know when. We gotta wait for Gabe to get down.
Oh, he's going to the bottom?
Yeah. The Ohio silver.
I got the Batmobile
I
black.
got the red knight.
We're hitting terminal velocity.
Are you ready, sir?
We're good to go down here.
Good to go. All right, we're gearing up. Here we go.
All right, see you in a few.
All right, bye.
Oh my God!
Oh my gosh, they're coming.
That 360 was so perfect.
Hey, you see me drift by Gabe's
Dude.
car?
It was a lot easier to do that when I was going faster. Help me get these up here, my sir, with the camera. Yo, I felt like I hit some sick like drifts.
Yeah,
too.
I was right behind you, like
Yeah.
right behind you, and you were drifting pretty good.
Yeah, it's a lot easier like when you're going faster and mellower. Like,
Yeah.
that steepness is hard.
You see
What
that
if
drift
like
by
this
your
was
car?
our profession? We just go hit hills.
All right, guys, I just want to make it very clear. Do not try this at home. These are professional drift trike riders. You think I'm kidding? I am not kidding. They are the absolute professional. So just make sure you don't try it at home. I don't want any of you guys going down the street on any of these trikes. So make sure that you do not do that. These guys are trained professionals. Check out all the other videos right there. Go ahead and click those videos. You'll have a blast watching those. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and go to brailleskateboarding.com for anything you need.